Lock my.
My locked. Closed windows of my.
You've been able to control your Tesla using voice commands for your iPhone for quite some time, but they've been fairly limited, and to be honest, they've not been really very useful. So we're going to show you with the latest software how things have improved. So the first thing to do is go into shortcuts, create a new shortcut, and the first thing we recommend you do is rename it to what you want it to do. So in this example, we're going to have it lock our car, and we're using the name of our car, which is my or my. You then need to switch to apps, go down and find the Tesla, and then pick the command. And of course, as we're locking it, we want to do the lock and unlock. You then got a couple of options. You click and we want lock, I suppose unlock fairly obviously, but now you can also choose the vehicles. So we've got two vehicles on this account, and it's the my one that we want to do. And that's pretty much it. If you now say the magic Hey Siri word and then lock my, it will execute the shortcut. Now, one of the common requests is actually running shortcuts from your iWatch or your Apple Watch. To do that, you just need to long press on the shortcut icon. That will allow you to edit it, and you'll see the option to show on your Apple Watch. Hey Siri, lock my.
Okay.
So apologies for the blurred footage, we got too close to the camera, but you can see that you can use Siri to do it on your watch, and you can also execute the shortcut command manually. But you don't need to stop at single commands. We're going to edit this command now to actually not just lock the car, but to also close the windows. So again, long press, go into edit, and then basically search for Tesla again, and then we're going to look for close all windows. Again, you need to choose the car you want to do it on, and done, and that's basically it. And now when you run that command, not only does it lock the car, it will also close the windows. Hey Siri, lock my.
My locked. Closed windows of my.
You can combine multiple of these commands, so you could do stop charging, unlock car, release charge port, whatever's in the list anyway you can do. You can also do some automation, so you could do timers and things like that, or we're here scanning an NFC tag, which we're going to call unlock my or lock my just for originality. And then when you use your phone and you tap it onto an RFID token, which you'll see in a minute, you'll see that the command will then get executed automatically as well. So this gives you the opportunity to have a little tag either by your charge port, which you can just tap with your phone, or as you get in the morning you can tap it and it will precondition your car and unlock it and stop charging, etc. Again, you can just automate these things, and there's a whole raft of things you can do with Tesla automation. Again, apologies for our focusing, but you can see we put the fan on and you can see the app starting to run, and we'll actually show you a video footage of the phone, albeit on a different homepage, when it runs. And you can turn on the level of information you get. You can make these request permission. As I say, Apple shortcuts have a lot of capabilities, and this is all the commands you can use and embed into these shortcuts. Customize it, automate it. You could write if statements so you can link it to other conditions. So essentially, it's really powerful now. It's a big step forwards, and really it's down to your imagination. We've just covered the basics of how to get you going.